Whale Wonders, exploring the amazing world of big ocean animals. Whales are like big, cool animals that live in the sea. Let's learn some fun things about them. Big animals. Whales are big and live in the ocean. Some are super big, like the blue whale, which is the biggest animal on Earth. Different kinds. There are lots of types of whales. Some are big and gray, like humpback whales, while others are smaller and faster, like dolphins. Fun tricks. Whales do fun things, like jumping out of the water, making loud sounds, and swimming really fast. They're like acrobats of the sea. Helping whales. Whales need our help to stay safe. We can keep the ocean clean and not throw trash in it. That way, whales can stay happy and healthy. Let's explore the amazing world of whales and learn how to keep them safe in their ocean home.